This is Eric with Parts Doctor, and today we're going to show you how to replace the pinion shaft on your GE refrigerator. If you need to purchase a new pinion shaft for your refrigerator, check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. Start by opening the freezer door, then pull the upper drawer forward and tilt it up and out. Remove the lower drawer by pushing it back slightly, then tilt the front up and out. Slide the pinion shaft to the right, removing it from the left-hand pinion gear. Then remove the shaft from the other gear. If you need to purchase a new pinion shaft, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you're searching with the model number from the tag on your refrigerator to make sure that you are getting the correct part. Insert the pinion shaft into the right-hand gear as far as it will go. Then align it to the left-hand gear, insert, and slide into place. To install the lower drawer, insert it at an angle, making sure it sits beneath the support glide rail. Then pull the drawer forward so that the tabs align with the retainers on the slide rails. Make sure that the front of the basket is beneath the lip. To install the upper drawer, align the rear guide wheels on the drawer to the top of the support glide rail in the freezer compartment. That's it for today, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave us a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, make sure to subscribe.